Hi guys, what's up? I hope you're doing well and welcome to the Civil Engineers Planet. So today we are going to discuss about the surveying. So now why surveying is important? It is important for the planning and designing of the different civil engineering projects. The projects like dam, bridge, highway requires the survey measurements and therefore the surveying is very important. Now we will deal with the definition of the surveying. Surveying is the basically art which determines the relative positions of different objects on the surface of the earth. These different objects are located by measuring the horizontal distances between them. Therefore, in surveying, the measurements are taken only in the horizontal plane. Here you can see the map which is showing the different objects. These objects are located by measuring the horizontal distances between them. So now we will see the object of the surveying. The main object of surveying is to prepare a map. This map shows the natural features like river, lake, valley, village, forest, etc. Along with these natural features, it also shows the different engineering works like road, dam, bridge, canal, etc. Here you can see the map which is showing the natural features along with the different engineering works. Here the blue line is indicating the river and these circles on the red line are indicating the cities and this gray line is indicating the road. So we will move to the uses of the surveying. Surveying is used to prepare the different types of map. The first map is topographical map which shows the natural features of the country. Here you can see the topographical map. It shows the natural features like river, lake, valley, etc. Now we will move to the next map, that is cadastral map. Cadastral map shows the boundaries of the fields, estate, houses and other properties. So here you can see it. Okay. So now we will move to the next map, that is engineering map. Engineering map shows the details of the different engineering works as its name indicating that it is indicating the different engineering works. Now we will move to the next map, that is military map. Military map shows the road and railway communications with different parts of a country and it is very important from the defense point of view as it shows the different strategic points important for the defense of a country. So here you can see the military map. Now we will move to the next map, that is the contour map. So the contour map is having many uses. It can be used to determine the capacity of a reservoir. Again, it is used to determine the profile of the road, railway, etc. Now we will move to the next map, that is the geological map. Geological map shows the underground resources. So it is important for the engineers when it comes to construct the foundation. Whenever we have to construct the foundation, we must know which type of soil exists, so that we can know from the geological map. Now we will move to the next map, that is archaeological map. Archaeological map shows the ancient relics which exist. So this is about the archaeological map. This is the archaeological map in the image. So now we will see the primary classification of the surveying. The surveying is primarily classified as the plane and the geodetic surveying. We know that the shape of the earth is spheroidal, but in the plane surveying we don't consider the curvature of the earth, and it is performed on area which is less than 250 square kilometer. It means the plane surveying is carried out over the small area and it is conducted by the state agencies like irrigation department, railway department, etc. Now we will move to the geodetic surveying. In the geodetic surveying, the curvature of the earth is considered and it is conducted by the Survey of India department, and it is performed on area which is greater than 250 square kilometer. As we consider the curvature of the earth, so it is indicating that we carried out it over a large area. So thank you so much.